Today we're making Peruvian baked pasta Huancaína, perfect for Easter. It serves 6 people and takes about 50 minutes from start to finish. Let's get cooking. First, let's check the ingredients. 12 ounces of rigatoni or penne pasta, hearty tubes that hold the creamy sauce. 1 tablespoon of salt for the pasta water to season the noodles as they cook. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to enrich the Huancaína sauce. 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil for greasing the baking dish. 1 clove of garlic, minced, for a gentle aromatic base. 1/3 cup of ají amarillo paste, the Peruvian pepper that defines the sauce. 1 cup of evaporated milk for a silky, rich texture. 8 ounces of queso fresco, crumbled to make the sauce creamy. 8 saltine crackers, they thicken the Huancaína sauce. 1 cup of cooked choclo kernels, the big Peruvian corn for sweetness and bite. 1/2 cup of sliced botija olives, pitted for briny depth. 2 hard-boiled eggs, sliced, a classic Huancaína companion and perfect for Easter. 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro for freshness. 1 cup of shredded mozzarella to melt and brown on top. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan for a savory crust. Salt to taste to balance the sauce. Black pepper to taste for gentle heat. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Set your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 190 Celsius. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add the 12 ounces of pasta and cook until very al dente, about 2 minutes less than the package suggests. Drain well. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish with 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. In a blender, add 1 cup evaporated milk, 8 ounces of crumbled queso fresco, 1/3 cup ají amarillo paste, 8 saltine crackers, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, and 1 minced garlic clove. Blend until smooth and creamy. Season the sauce with salt and black pepper to taste, then blend 5 seconds more to combine. In a large bowl, toss the drained pasta with all the Huancaína sauce until evenly coated. Taste and adjust, with more salt and black pepper to taste if needed. Fold in 1 cup cooked choclo kernels, 1/2 cup of sliced botija olives, and 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, reserving 1 tablespoon of cilantro for garnish. Spread half of the sauced pasta in the greased dish. Arrange the 2 sliced hard-boiled eggs evenly on top, then cover with the remaining pasta. Sprinkle 1 cup of shredded mozzarella and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan evenly over the surface. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius, for 20 minutes, until it's bubbling and lightly golden on top. Let the casserole rest for 5 minutes. Garnish with the reserved cilantro, slice, and serve warm. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Peruvian Easter bake, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more recipes. See you next time.